Hi. Welcome back. Hopefully today is better than yesterday.
3 is green beans have several health and body care properties. The benefits of green beans can improve digestive function, detoxify, lose weight, strengthen the immune system, affect the formation of red blood cells, prevent anemia, nourish bones and teeth, reduce the risk of cancer and can treat beriberi. Here are the various benefits of green beans. 1. Prevention of constipation. Constipation is one of the most common digestive problems experienced by individuals. To treat and prevent constipation, you need to ensure that you consume enough fiber. Apart from consuming fiber, you also need to get enough fluids by drinking water every day to prevent constipation. 2. Increase the absorption of nutrients from food. Fiber also plays an important role in the absorption of nutrients from food that enters the body. Not only can it maintain the health of the digestive system, but it is also beneficial for increasing endurance. 3. Acts as a prebiotic. Fiber also acts as a prebiotic in the digestive tract. These foods are a source of food for good bacteria in the intestine, so that the growth and activity of these bacteria is always maintained. Due to this, digestion is improved and protected from indigestion. 4. Control blood sugar. Adequate fiber intake can reduce the risk of various health problems such as diabetes in the future. As previously explained, fiber cannot be absorbed by the body, so it does not cause an increase in blood sugar after eating high fiber foods.